Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Now, we understand the importance of prep work before beginning any project, and we want you to be educated on all you need to know on your remodeling project to make the best choices for you and your home. So in this video, we're going to outline 9 tips to prep your home before painting the exterior. Whether you plan to DIY the project yourself or hire a professional, our goal is to make sure by the end you'll be ready to get your exterior in shape for an epic makeover and ensure the outcome meets your needs for looks, durability, and longevity. Let's get started. Number 1, cleaning your exterior siding. Power washing the siding of your home is one of the easiest ways to prepare your exterior for painting. This process removes layers of dirt, dust, pollen, and mildew that can interfere with paint adhesion. It's important to use a gentle setting on the power washer to avoid damaging the siding material. Number 2, trimming vegetation. Vegetation close to your house like shrubs, bushes, and overgrown bushes should be trimmed back. This prevents plants from touching freshly painted surfaces and ensures they don't impede access to certain areas of your home. Number 3, repairing damages. Carefully inspect your home's exterior for any signs of damage. This includes cracks in the siding, wood rot, or holes that need attention on both your siding and around the windows and roofline. Repairing these issues before painting helps create a smooth, uniform surface, which is crucial for optimal paint application and an aesthetically pleasing outcome. Number 4, scraping and sanding. If your home is old, peeling, or has flaking paint, it needs to be removed before you can put on a new paint coat. So scrape off the loose paint and then sand the area to create a smooth surface. Sanding is essential for ensuring that the new paint adheres properly and provides a flawless finish after sanding. It's a good practice to clean off the dust for better paint adherence. Number 5, caulking and sealing. Inspect all seams and joints, especially around windows and doors, and apply high-quality exterior caulk where needed. Sealing these gaps prevents moisture from entering behind the new paint, which could cause peeling and other issues. This step not only aids in paint adhesion, but also improves the overall insulation of your home. So it's good to catch any gaps or failing caulk before it gets worse. Make sure the caulk is preventable to ensure a seamless appearance. Number 6, protecting windows, lighting, and outlets. Cover windows, doors, light fixtures, and other areas not being painted with painter's tape and plastic sheeting. This protects them from paint splatters and drips, which can be difficult to clean and may cause damage. Covering these areas also speeds up the painting process, as less caution is needed when working around them. Make sure the tape and coverings are securely in place to prevent any leaks. Number 7, removing loose items and wall decor. Clear the area around your house of any movable items like patio furniture, decorative items, potted plants, and grills. Removing these items provides unobstructed access to the painters and protects your belongings from paint and debris. If there are fixed items like air conditioning units or permanent fixtures, cover them for protection. Number 8, address mildew and mold. If your exterior has signs of mold or mildew, treat these areas with a mold-killing solution before painting. Painting over mold or mildew without treating it can cause the problem to resurface, potentially damaging the new paint. It's important to not only kill the mold, but also to address the source of moisture that's causing it. Number 9, check the weather. Plan the painting project accordingly to the weather forecast, especially when planning to paint your home yourself. Ideal painting conditions are dry weather with moderate temperatures. High humidity, rain, or extreme heat or cold can negatively affect the paint's application and drying process. Paint applied under unsuitable weather conditions may not adhere properly and could have a shortened lifespan. Preparing your home for a successful exterior paint project. Now that you know 9 tips to properly prep your home before painting your exterior, you can set your project up for success and ensure your paint will last on your home. With any home remodeling project, preparation is one of the most key parts of the entire process. Even the highest quality products will not last if the project area isn't properly prepared for installation. Not sure if you should paint your exterior yourself or call a professional? Check out the article linked above that compares DIY and a professional exterior paint project by weighing the pros and cons of each. Then you have a better idea of which option is right for you, and you can take the next steps in transforming your home. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.